Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the Finsource dashboard. Now, in other videos you can take a much deeper dive into each one of these modules and what they do, but what we're going to be doing right now is just taking the 10,000 foot view. What does it mean when you get onto the dashboard? What are you looking at? The first thing that's probably going to catch your eye is this moving word cloud on the left hand side, top left. We call it today's trending topics. And what this is once you've configured your profile, you're going to be delivered a target media and influencer list. So that is reporters, analysts, bloggers that we think are going to be important to you based on your profile. What the trending topics word cloud is showing you is what matters to those people in real time. So we are scouring their Twitter feeds, we're scouring a range of different sources, and we are showing you amongst that influencer set what are some of the most important topics and trends. Obviously you can see today earnings are important, retirement, personal finance, but also some other more macro issues like Obamacare and FX coming up on the trending topics. To the right of trending topics, you see a module called opportunities. Now, again, as with all of these modules, this is just showing you a snapshot on your dashboard. If you want to drill down into opportunities, you do so on the left-hand side. It's here. You can see all of your opportunities for the year. But what we're giving you on the dashboard is just the key opportunities that are coming up in the next week. So that opportunities comprises largely awards, events that are going to be important to you, and this editorial calendars. So these are potential publication editorials that are coming up that again are going to be configured based on your profile. So perhaps you want to have a conversation with investment news about estate and tax planning. You can drill down, you can get a lot more information here and on the left hand side. Scrolling back up to the right hand side, top right, we have a module we call influencers to connect with today. As I've mentioned before, when you set your profile, we're going to build you an influencer database of reporters, bloggers, analysts, and other important people. But that's obviously a significant number of people, and what we're offering you here is 3 that we think you need to get in touch with. And I'll be showing you in another video exactly how to use this module, but that's what this does. Of course, when you subscribe to Finsource, you're not just getting all the data and the power of the platform, we're also putting you into a program of training, which is up to you whether you want to take it or not, but it's a value add of being a member of the Finsource community. And what you can simply do here is click on any of these to add that training to your calendar. Bottom right hand side, we have the section we call website audit. This is very, very important, and I think when we showed you how to configure your profile, we explained that adding your website here was important because we were going to start running analysis immediately on your website. So what this is doing, and again, this is just showing you a snapshot, you can dig in under measurement and get a lot more insight, but this is just showing you how do you appear in searches. If you're a financial advisor in Chicago, and you want to know how you show for a search term like financial advisors Chicago, this is going to show you how do you rank on Google, how do you rank on Bing, Yahoo, how many sites are pointing at your site, do you score for the right keywords. So this is just a snapshot. Obviously, as you can see from this account we've created here, they've got some work to do. The good news is it doesn't take a lot to get indexed on these search engines, and so these are some immediate improvements that they could start making to ensure that their site is more findable. I'll leave you with this last module on the bottom left hand side here. We call it expert requests. Again, this is just a snapshot. If you want to see more, you can simply drill down on the left hand side under action. Expert requests lives here. But this is a snapshot of reporters in real time, or bloggers or analysts who are looking to speak to experts like you about particular topics. So at a glance you can see, is this a topic that I can talk on? And we show you who to reach out to if it is. That's pretty much it for your dashboard. The only thing I would add is that if you want to remind yourself how a piece of function works or one of these modules works, you don't have to rewatch this video. You have these neat little I buttons here that explains to you a little bit more what's going on inside that module and how to take advantage of it. So that's it for the dashboard. As I said, in future videos we're going to be showing you each one of these modules in a lot more detail and drilling down to show you just how to get the most out of the Finsource platform.